In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow microphone access in Microsoft Edge. If a website can't hear you during a call, a recording, or a voice search, the fix is usually in your browser's permissions. We'll walk through exactly where those settings live in Edge and how to choose the right microphone, all while keeping your privacy in mind. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the Settings and More button, the one with 3 dots. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a new tab dedicated to how your browser behaves. On the left side, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls what data the browser uses and how it protects you online. Next, move into Site Permissions. This is where Edge keeps a detailed list of what each site is allowed to access, including your camera, microphone, and location. Click All Permissions to see the full set of controls, then choose Microphone. You're now on the page that governs how Edge handles microphone requests. At the top, find Ask before accessing and toggle it on. With this enabled, Edge will prompt you the first time a new site wants to use your microphone. It's the recommended setting because it lets you make a decision in the moment, per site, rather than giving blanket access or blocking everything. If you ever accidentally deny access, you can return here to adjust it later. Next, look for the default microphone dropdown. If you have multiple audio devices, such as a built-in laptop mic and a USB headset, use this menu to select the device you actually want Edge to use. Picking the correct device here prevents confusion when a site tries to record or join a call. Finally, review the Allow and Block lists. These sections show sites you've previously approved or denied. If a trusted site is in block, remove it from the list or add it to Allow so it can access your mic without prompting. If there's a site you consistently use, like a conferencing tool, you can click Add in the appropriate section and enter its address to save yourself a step next time. Likewise, if a site no longer needs access, remove it to keep your permissions tidy. That's it. By opening Settings, navigating to Privacy, Site Permissions, and Microphone, turning on Ask before accessing, selecting your default device, and managing the Allow and Block lists, you'll have clear, secure control over microphone access in Microsoft Edge.